Hello everyone, I'm really excited to show you guys something you've never seen before. This is called the Videocard from Homingos, and it works with the help of a technology called AR, augmented reality, and this is a collab with the Homingos app. So make sure to subscribe my channel and let me show you how it works. Alright, so as you can see, it's a simple piece of paper. So let me just remove this piece of paper, and you can add your any personal message over here. So just remove this. It's already removed. Alright, so as you can see, there's a manual card how to use it, as you can see over here, and here's the video card right on your screen. As you can see, it's just a simple printed first frame of the video, and you can add up to 60 seconds video. And here's your address, and there's some personal message, and there's the Homingos logos. Alright, there's nothing else, and it's empty, I guess. Yep, it's empty now. And let me just show you how it works. So you just need to download this app called the Homingos app. You can easily find it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Just simply start this app and made with the Unity software. Get started, and they will require to ask you for the logging with the your mobile number with the OTP. So you just need to first sign up with them. Alright, and just logging, and let me just add the OTP. Alright, all done. Just click on the verify. Please wait, and it's almost done. And as you can see, just scan this like this, and you can see it will play with the video, and you can see it's perfectly tracked. I mean, it's amazing how you can see. It's like the magic, and you can open it. And there's the audio with this, I mean the music with this video, but I can play it, you know, the copyright, for the copyright reason. So it's nice, and you can order it, and it's unique for the birthday, someone special, you can give to anyone. It's nice, and you must buy. Now let me show you how you can get your own video card for free, worth 400 without paying. Just pay the delivery charge. Alright, so just logging with the register with the Homingos, and just I am already logged in with this, and you can just go to the video card, and there we go. Just tap over here, and you can get add your video. As you can see, there's 399 rupees. So you can add your videos over here. Just upload from the gallery, or you can paste over here the files. Alright, so after uploading the files, you get the option to order. As you can see, I've already ordered 2, and you can add your video card and delivery charge. After that, you can add the promo code, which is SUMIT100, SUMIT SUMIT100, and you will get it free. Just pay 79 rupees, I guess. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Alright, so peace out.